Hey, hello and welcome to the video tutorial here on using the website audio software and implementing the website audio onto your sales page or website. So I've got the program open here, and as you can see I have two options. My first option is to record a sound. Now this just needs a microphone and you speaking to it. So you can easily record your message through this program if you select that option. Or if you're creating the audio in another program, or you're going to have it edited and you have it in a file, or it's a music piece or anything else, you can load the file from an MP3 or WAV file. So you can simply select that option if you're looking to loading the file from an MP3 or WAV file. So I'm going to go with the record sound option for now. Now if you do load from file MP3 or WAV, it will just simply display a dialog box, and you just select the file that you want to use for the website audio button. So I'm just going to go with the record sound now. And as you can see, I have the record sound thing here, and what I can do is I simply press here to record the sounds that are coming through my microphone right now. So it'll be recording this, and what I do is once I'm done, I can just simply press stop, and I can then preview it by pressing the play button. And that's pretty much all you have to do there to record your sound. And once you're done that, you can you select the audio quality that you want. Now, if for most purposes, you'll probably want to go with low or medium, and it will display you the file size here of the file. So low quality, that 11 seconds that just recorded, it will be 21 kilobytes. Medium quality, it will be 86 kilobytes. So certainly you can test out both, which ones will sound the best. But for most purposes, you should go with medium. That's probably the best one. You'll still have some good audio quality there, and it will sound better because low quality will be more like a telephone conversation, while medium quality will be better quality, which may be beneficial to your website. So once you have that, just press next, and now we come to this screen where we select the button style. Now you have a number of styles here. And to select the style, simply press here, and as you can see, it pops up a preview for you of the button style, how it will look in this window here. So, and you can select a color, and that will just bring up a picture of the color. So there's many options here that you can choose for each particular button. So and then there's this option here that makes the button play stop only. So what it does is it only makes the button one button basically to play, and has no pause feature. So that's very useful for short audio pieces. So you can check that or uncheck that, depends on what you need for your particular audio button. And once I'm done that, just press next once I've finished selecting my style. What I'm given here is a screen to define my movie width, my if I want to have the audio autoplay, and it gives me the HTML code that I need right here to insert into my HTML editor, and I can select where to save it to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just save it to my website directory where I have my sales page. So as you can see, I selected it here, and I'm going to name it, say, audio, and it got it saved there, and the HTML code is right there. And what I do now is I just copy this, and I can select if I want to autoplay it, but I don't want to autoplay it in this particular case, but you can select that if you wish, and it will start playing the audio right when the visitor comes to your website. Now that I have the directory selected where I want to save the audio file to, I simply press make, and as you can see, it has been made. And what I do now is I can run the player, which I really don't have to, but I can just close it. And I go into my HTML editor now, and I paste the code in. So you can see I have Dreamweaver here open, and this will be very similar to any type of HTML editor in terms of putting the code in. So what I do is I just go to the code section, and let me just enlarge this so you can see the code a little bit bigger. And there we go. And what I do is I just simply paste it in right here, the code that I just copied from there, and the code is in. Now what I have to do always is I have to remove this this tag right here, simply because that's for the desktop, but for the web, for normal web, you want to remove this just so it doesn't link there. So always remove this that will come before the audio.swf or whatever you name the file. So just remove that. Also remove it here as well, because it's in two places. So once you remove that, have it done, and as you can see, it will show the audio here. What I do is I save the file now, and I can go into the directory where I saved it, and I can run the file, and it will show me the audio file, as you can see right here. Now, as you can see, the audio button is kind of big, but you can control that in your HTML editor. And I'll show you just now. You can control it in Dreamweaver by certainly this function right here, and you can preview, and you can just adjust it as much as you want until you have a size that you're happy with. So that's certainly something that you can do. So this marks the end of the tutorial on making the audio button and placing the HTML code onto your website. And once you're done that, you simply upload both these files onto your web server. So the SWF file is the audio file that you need to upload, and the HTML file is obviously your sales page. So this marks the end of this video, and thank you for watching.